Who is King Sean is live.
YouTube, what's up? It's Who is King Sean, and we're back again with another banger. I got a quick video. We got part 2 of credit cards reporting exclusively to Equifax Business. So we're going to try to go through this list. You know, yesterday I did Experian Business. Tomorrow I'll be dropping Dun & Bradstreet. So all these credit cards I'm going to show you right now is reporting exclusively to Equifax Business. So get your pen, take your notes. Let's go through this quickly so we can move on to the next topic. So first credit card is Fair Figure. If you know about Fair Figure, I did a full breakdown on this business credit card a while back, and you could get this EIN only, people. Yes, you're looking for business credit cards. You don't have to worry about pulling your personal credit card. This might be for you. So if you want to know any information about this credit card, just go back on my old videos and get ahead, and at that point make your decision if you want to move forward. Number 2 on the list is another great card, FMBO, but not only the FMBO card, this is actually the Business Edition Secured MasterCard. So this card will be reporting exclusively to Equifax. You know, I have a personal card with them and a business credit card. I always tell you, again, if you're looking for credit cards to report, follow my channel. I'm giving you the gems. I'm showing you firsthand example from cards I actually have. And so let's move on to number 3. Number 3 is Corpay. So if you know about Corpay, you want to go EIN only. This is another card you could do, and this will report exclusively to, again, Equifax Business. Go ahead, man. Go ahead and start building your business credit scores. A lot of people are out there and they're doing it the wrong way. They're applying for a bunch of credit cards that actually don't even report to the Business Credit Bureau. So let's move on to number 4. Number 4 again is the City Advantage credit card on the business side when it comes to, again, if you're looking for credit cards to build that business score. This might be one for you, and this reports exclusively to Equifax Business as well. This might be a credit card that you might not see often. I actually never did a full breakdown on this card. I don't have this card. You know, I got tons of credit cards on the personal business, but I don't have this. I never actually did a full breakdown. Maybe I'll start working on that coming up soon. Again, but this is another card. Again, you could take advantage of it, and it reports to Equifax exclusively, right? Let's move on to number 5. Again, you know how I feel about Chase. If you are in 2026 and you're trying to get some business funding, listen to me closely. Everybody should be building a relationship with Chase. Have a Chase savings account, a Chase checking account, and you should have a business checking account as well. You want to build a strong relationship, because if you got a vision of going to get business funding, they are giving out the bag. Business lines of credit, it doesn't matter. High limit credit cards, they are giving it out. Build a relationship now, go get that money, right? So that is number 5 on the list. Let's move on to number 6. Number 6 is actually a credit card that I had for a couple years, is the Ink Business Cash Card. Now this card is actually great because it actually helps me on my business side when it comes to Equifax, because that's where it's reporting exclusively, and they're known for giving high limits when it comes to the Ink Business Cash Card, right? And we're going to move on to last on my list. Again, we know I'm not a big fan of Capital One at all, but I'm not here to slander them or anything. They have the Venture Card. I would probably say the Venture Card with Capital One is the best card they have overall. So this is the Venture Card. If you want to go ahead and got a strong relationship already with Capital One, go ahead and apply for it. But again, this reports to Equifax Business, right? So these are all 7 cards that you could go out there, and if you're trying to increase that Equifax score on the business side, you could go over to any of these. Again, apply for them and start building that business score. Again, I will come out with a master list with about 30 credit cards. I'm just trying to bring you a couple credit cards between Experian Business, Equifax Business, and Dun & Bradstreet, which I will be dropping tomorrow. I want to see everybody win at the end of the day. Capital One, the Venture Card. Now with the Venture Card, I would say with Capital One overall, the downside I personally don't like when it comes to Capital One with personal and business, they don't give out high limits, which is an issue and a problem when it comes to me. Because if you're trying to build your business side, you might need a lot of cash. You need that funding to fund your business and stuff like that. And you apply for this and they're only giving you $10,000, $15,000, and you're looking for more like $30,000, $40,000, $50,000, $60,000. This is the problem. This is why I don't do a lot of videos on Capital One. But again, is a company out there if you're looking for a card to report to, again, Equifax Business. Again, let's go over to my website. I always try to drop this at the end of the video for those that might be new to the channel. If you're in the phase of fixing your personal credit or your business credit, let's go over to my website because I'm giving out ebooks for free. So we're here on the main page. If you got any question on personal or business credit, you can scroll right down. My email's right at the bottom. You could drop me a little line or two and give me a couple hours and I'll get back to you. But for those that's looking for that credit repair ebook, let's bring that up. For all those that might be new to the channel, the channel is growing. I'm close to 68,000 subscribers. I appreciate everybody that been subscribing to my channel. And the last 9 months, this channel have been going crazy. And I'm trying to give the information out because I want to see everybody win. So if you have collections, if you have charge-offs, if you got late payments, if you are in the check system, I have all the letters. Everything you need to do to win is in that ebook. And as you see that price, $0 for free, people. Why? Because I want to see you win, right? So let's go over to the ebook on the business side, right? Because I'm giving away something on the personal and as well as the business, right? You can't say you want to see people win and you're trying to charge people for everything, right? So again, this is the business ebook right here, Business Guide to Building Wealth Step by Step. If you're new in business, I show you step by step what to do from LLC, EIN, the whole step to make sure that your business is structured the proper way. And for all those that's looking for strong primary accounts that you can add on, not that, everybody's saying net 30s, that's cool, but we need some other primary strong accounts that you could be able to add on your account and start increasing your business credit scores and making your business credit profile look more stronger, people. Again, tomorrow I'll be dropping the Dun & Bradstreet list. The master list for all three of them will be coming within the next 30 days. So let's bear with me. You'll be able to go straight to my website, download it for free, man. I want to see everybody win. Get in the comments, like, comment, subscribe. But for now, I'm up out of here. Peace.